This is a first look at the Sanrenmu 7112 gold or yellow version, which was purchased from Gearbest. And this is a slip joint blade, so there's no lock but a very strong back spring. It's not a back lock though. Has a little nail nick to open the blade. It's very stiff, so even though this doesn't have a lock, I have confidence in using it. It's an aluminum handle. This thing is very light. It's about 1 ounce approximately, I'd say. I can't remember offhand what exactly, but it feels like about 1 ounce. Has about not a half stop, but kind of a 3/4 stop. And when it opens, listen, it's very, very reassuring. So you could be somewhat assured that it won't easily close on you. Has a pocket clip, removable, only one positionable, and only on one side. Now I'll show a couple quick comparisons of some other Sanrenmu knives. The 7112 at the top. Then we have the Sanrenmu 7063, I believe. It's an axis lock. Followed by a Sanrenmu 7076, I believe it was. And then more keychain size, like the Bird Finch. These are all budget knives, all 8CR13 MOV, and very capable and cheap. Again, this is the Sanrenmu 7112, purchased from Gearbest. Slip joint blade, very light, at least half the weight of these two, and highly recommended. Thanks.